Look at what we are dealing on S&P. What a brutal, brutal, brutal torture. This is Fibonacci support that's present on your day trading chart that you can apply to any chart. This is a chart that remains your key barometer chart. Look at that. Buyers are stepping in. I've been warning you. Shorting near this area, worst idea ever. Look at that. That's the exact same formula that played out in AVGO, where buyers stepped in. But right now, AVGO in excruciating pain, knowing what to do with your position, holding the key. Knowledge is everything in life. Exact same thing happened on Netflix. Look at that. Exact same decision point too. And very powerful reminder. Spectacular subscription rate doesn't mean a thing if Fibonacci reversal zone is present. Sell-off doesn't mean a thing if Fibonacci support is present. Look at that. All the same formula. Netflix, AVGO, and S&P day trading chart. You don't have to wait for days, weeks, and months to see the accuracy of the method. You see it instantly in front of you, every day. Knowing that this Fibonacci resistance holding the key to determine if buyers will finally give us meaning or more fluff is everything. Knowing the rules, how to place your trade, knowing how to place your stop limit order, only applying sniper mentality you will succeed in trading is the key. I love what's playing out in the market now. As Jean knows the rules for trade entries, and that's the reason he's sending me gifts during holidays. And that's the reason, students, my friends for life, you learn the rules, you apply the rules, the sky's the limit. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Buyers are trying again, but they remain so darn weak. What a bummer, what a powerful chart. This time around, will they succeed, or is it more of the same? Market testing you for knowledge, market testing you for rules of trade placement once again. What a spectacular reminder, the power of 1 minute chart and the power of separating strengths from weakness, junk and more bullish weakness. Exact same level as you saw on oil weekly. Boom! Institutional resistance, day trading fluff. Identical, holding the key. Will this time around buyers step in with vengeance and price will skyrocket? Are you setting up for long? Is your bracket order placed in the correct place as a stop limit order? Because you know that this time around, if price is blasting through, market will skyrocket. Take a look. Everything right now. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well what trade appropriate for him and his account size. Red line is a stop. Enjoy. And that's the power of knowledge. And that's what separates trader who is not knowing the rules versus trader who does. Placing random market order, placing random stop will never work. This is everything in your trading. Students would never try and trade this chart with a lightning rod. Only if you doubled and tripled your account, you can trade this chart. Trade on completely different chart. But for those of you in day trading room, I'm showing you the accuracy instantly, the importance of reversal zone, the importance of the end of the minor trend, the importance of proper stop placement. Market in excruciating pain. We know that extremely well. Clear on that? This is the area holding the key to bullish power. Exact same thing on every single chart. We've been sitting here for a very long time in endless bullish weakness. The next few weeks holding the key to your investment decisions were at the start of institutional sell-off traders. First time since early 2014. Knowing what to do with your position right now is everything. Sooner you take the course, more prepared you will be. It's not going to be about your day trading pennies. It's going to be your long-term investment decisions that's being impacted in the next few weeks. If I'm traveling, if I'm on vacation, you know the rules. You will not need my hand holding. You will know extremely well what to do with your investment positions. In front of you, once again, the end of the minor trend. Look how much pain market had been in. Do you remember that? Again and again and again, we've been dealing with weak buyers non-stop. Knowing the rules for your trade entry is everything. Knowing what you're waiting for and what's holding the key not to deal with junky little charts is everything. We've been dealing with complete junk traders. Look at that. I've been warning you. This is what we dissected with students the entire morning. Separating weakness from strength is everything. It remains weakness. Market remains in pain. Every single tick in day trading matters. Knowing where this level is a key to your success. No matter if it's Apple, no matter if it's gold, no matter if it's S&P or Netflix or Euro. What you trade is your choice. Price actions show you clearly where these levels are. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Is it possible market rallying? How did I know and warned you that bias this morning is bullish? My goodness, we are on the right side of the market again. My goodness, I warned you, do not short the market this morning. Finally, price blasted through this very, very painful place that we've been monitoring the entire morning. What do you have to do right now? Right now you have to move your stop outside of break-even as a knowledgeable trader. Life is magic if you play by the rules. Life is magic if you apply sniper mentality. Go baby, you can do it. And that's what life should be based on. If you combine love and passion for what you do, magic happens. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. You watched S&P being an excruciating pain, and I warned you, this is your stop, not a tick sooner. As price tell you where your stop must be. Fibonacci tell you where your targets must be. Moving your stop outside of break-even is crucial right now. Can the price crash and burn in reverse right now? Absolutely. It's a reversal zone. What is 1 point on S&P on one lot? $50. On 10 lots? 500 on 20,000. If you do the math, if you understand that S&P mini future, the most popular day trading instrument in United States of America, and you never have to trade anything else. All you have to do is master S&P, The sky's the limit. As we discussed with students this morning, we're at key institutional support, and this is the morning you can see very powerful bullish formations. No surprise. So, price reminded you, know where Fibonacci levels are. Price reminded you, know what not to short near. Price reminded you, you know the rules. You know how to place your stop limit order. You know where to move your stop outside of break even. The sky's the limit. Be a sniper. Do not place random orders. Clear on that? Buyers picking up the steam, but this reversal zone is present. Exact same way it's been present on any instrument you saw. Exact same way you witnessed gold collapse every single time on your investment chart. Chart present in front of you for years. All the same formula. I remove the name from the instrument. You wouldn't have a clue what this is. And that's picture perfect reminder. Don't ever pull a trigger randomly. Fibonacci reminds you, nothing in this world is random. Fibonacci reminds you every day. If you're using anything else, you're using silly, afterthought, artificial stuff that do not work. What are you seeing? You are seeing reversal zone in a play in front of you instantly. No surprise. Remember that? Remember what Euro had done? Chart present in front of you for years. Remember Euro in 2014 at reversal zone at 3900? Remember how much it respected decision point 2? All the same formula, traders. Decision point 2 is respected. Shock or not. Absolutely expected. As price does exact same thing on any instrument you trade. As exact same thing to remind you Netflix had done. And that's the power of 1 minute chart. And that's the importance of Fibonacci, not just in your day trading decisions, but in your investment decisions. And that's the reason students, my dearest friends for life, because they know extremely well. Using indicators, worst idea ever. Trading on the news and earnings will never work. If it did, everyone would be Bill Gates. I live and breathe Fibonacci, and I prove to you each and every day that only price action and Fibonacci matters. And that's the reason I work with traders each and every day, from beginner to hedge fund trader, in US and globally. And that's the accuracy of the method that applies to any instrument, any time frame you will choose to trade it on. Choice is yours. Agree on that? Is everybody clear why I named this proprietary Fibonacci retracement level reversal zone? Is everybody clear how essential and crucial it is not to enter into this level, but to respect and adore this level, no matter if it's gold, if it's oil, if it's Apple, if it's Tesla? Price collapses completely. 85% of the time. Protect your profits. You know the rules. You know extremely well where price would collapse from. And that's what's holding the key to your success. And that's picture perfect reminder where S&P is now. It's at institutional reversal, traders. Are you prepared for market collapse? Do you know what to do with your positions? Have you been complaining because you've been bored? Because market did not give you enough volatility? Browse my YouTube channel. Browse my blog. Years ago I said, this is where market is heading to. And remember, never ever ever buy into reversal zone. Never ignore this level. Clear on that? No surprise. And this is a key moment on S&P. It's the end of the minor trend. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. And that's what I said in 2015 about Apple. Who cares about bad earnings? It's Fibonacci support. Market rallied. Knowing what to do with your position on Apple right now is everything. Apple selling off. But knowing where your target is, knowing where to take the profits of the table is everything. Holding your position randomly will never work. Last time around Apple came to reversal zone, it collapsed 40% despite excellent earnings. Here we are again at reversal zone. No surprise. And that's S&P. Respected the end of the minor trend. Look at that. Trail is placed in perfect place. Not random, not speculative. To the tick. Every time. 2 points on S&P right now on 2 lots, $100. On 10 lots, $1,000. On 20 lots, $2,000. In the course you learn it's never about number of trades. It's only about quality. As a knowledgeable trader, you add the lot size once you remain consistently profitable. Never, ever, ever a number of trades. Clear on that? You work maximum 10 hours per week. You are a sniper. You are not a trigger-happy cowboy. That's what course all about. And that's a reversal zone in a play in front of you. That's a place you never buy near. That's a place you monitor for reversal. Reversal 1, reversal 2. Identical as on Netflix. Reversal 1, reversal 2. Fibonacci puzzle. That's what market is. Shock or not, reversal zone in a play. That's the reason I named it reversal zone. No surprise. So we've been stuck at Fibonacci reversal zone. Look at that for the last 30 minutes. Look the importance of proper trade placement and look the importance of the end of the minor trend. Look at this massive brutal chop. Not the place to enter the position, the place to take profits of the table and move your stop outside of break even. Identical formula as on your long-term investment decisions. Identical formula what S&P had done on monthly chart that been present in front of you for the last 7 years. Price reminding you, not the place to buy. This is your investments. This is when website was opened, 2011. Chart present in front of you for years. This is not the place to buy. Clear on that? It's all in front of you on little day trading chart. No need to wait for days, weeks and months. You see instantly the accuracy of the method. And that's the power of knowledge. And that's the power of Fibonacci. No indicator, no news event will ever give you. Ever. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Trail was placed in a perfect place. Price respected Fibonacci reversal zone. The pullbacks were 2 points. The pullbacks were 4 points. And once again, the importance of proper trail placement, price skyrocketed much higher. And that's the power of knowledge and Fibonacci. How many points per day do you need? How many trades? Not many. What you need is quality in your trading. What you must remember, never buy at reversal zone. By the time you come to reversal zone, you are in profit. If you placed your trade properly, currently 5 points later, 5 points on S&P, on one lot $250, on 10 lots $2,500, on 20 lots $5,000. How many trades per week do you need? Not many. What your circumstances are, only you know. Exact same formula applies to any instrument, any time frame you will decide to trade. I teach the same thing to retail traders and hedge fund traders. What you will choose to trade, how you will execute your trade, will determine your success. As Price again reminding you, buy low, not this high. Knowledge is everything in trading. Indicators will never work. Price action and Fibonacci does. And that's what I teach daily. And that's the reason my students are friends for life.